Hey everybody, today I want to show you how to create a playlist using iOS shortcuts so that you can simply, with the click of an app / icon, start your playlist. Now I will say this caveat first, that it will not play while this recording is taking place. So just follow the steps that I provide and then try it out yourself. And then if it doesn't work, let me know down in the comments below. Alright, let's get started, guys. Here's the home screen for the Shortcuts app. If you don't have it, actually, if you have iOS 14, you should automatically have it. So just do a search for it and go into the Shortcuts app. First thing we're going to do is hit the plus sign at the top right hand corner. And then hit Add Action. And then we're going to select, actually we're going to type in the search field music. Here we go. Here's the app we're going to select. And then we're going to choose the play music action. And then you see how music is in a faded box and in blue. That indicates that it is a variable, and that can be changed. So we're going to click that variable, music, and we're going to change it to going to library, and then selecting playlists at the very top. And then the playlist I'm going to select is golf music. And then hit the plus sign at the top right hand corner once again. Then once that is selected, or complete rather, I'm going to hit the three dots right here under the word next. And I'm going to name it Music 5. And then hit Add to Home Screen. Again, I'm going to name it Music 5. This is for the home screen. And I hit Add. Done. And done once again. And here is the new shortcut. It's called Music 5. It should play once this recording is complete. Alright guys, that's all I have for today. Let me know if you like this video by hitting the like button. Subscribe to my channel. I really need you guys' help to get to at least 100 subscribers. And please comment down below and let me know what you guys want to see in the future. Alright? Thanks guys. I'll see you in the next video.